In this video today, I'm going to share with you all that there is to know on how you can start any money with affiliate marketing right here in Nigeria. Hello and thank you so much for watching. I am Ijapari Gang, the mom on point. I'm an author, a public speaker, a writer, and an online business coach. I help people to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. I also help authors and intending authors to write and self-publish their book on Amazon. So if you are ready to take your business to the next level, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell sign so that you get latest notifications on our videos, be it on online business, self-publishing, graphic design, and much more. So this channel is all about entrepreneurship and online business, also taking your business to the next level. So I'm so excited and happy right now sharing with you this news because I know a lot of Nigerians have been worried looking for a way to earn money with affiliate marketing, and I don't want to bore you much with affiliate marketing because the last video I did, I talk about different ideas on how you can earn money online here in Nigeria, and a lot of people pick interest specifically on affiliate marketing. So I don't want to bore you more. I will drop the link. If you have not watched that video, I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video, or you can ask so that I will give you the link as well. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically a process of earning commission from promoting other people's products. So that is what affiliate marketing is all about. And before now, in fact up until now, there are so many affiliate marketing network out there that don't accept Nigerians, like JVZoo and also ClickBank. They don't accept country like ours. So I'm happy and excited right now to share with you all about Expertnia. I'm going to drop a link that you can use to sign up. But before I go further, I want to tell you this video is not for you if you are not ready to take action. This video is not for you if all you are looking for is get rich quick, and this video is not for you if you're not ready to work hard. That's just the truth, because for you to promote other people's product, you must work hard. And again, this video is not for you if you're not ready to pay a commitment price of 10,000 naira, because with Expertnia you are going to pay 10,000 naira yearly. That is, if you pay 10,000 naira this month, I'm shooting this video today is this is September, right? So if you should register now, you will have access to it up until next year September, and you have access to tons of different products that you can promote as your affiliate product, so that anybody that click and buy such products, you earn commission for that. So before I go into practical aspect on how you can sign up with Expertnia, I first of all want to share with you how you can start earning money with affiliate marketing, because there are steps and there are processes, and I know that some people find it difficult, and that is why today everything I'm going to do, I'm supposed to do it with I wanted to do it with my screen on my laptop, but because I understand where you're coming from. Actually, there are some people that cannot really afford laptop for now, and I will show you how you can also do that with your mobile phone, because mostly even me, I don't carry my laptop around. Sometimes I go out without laptop, but I use my phone. So you can also use your smartphone for that. And so there are basic steps. There are things you need to do for you to start any money with affiliate marketing. The first thing is you need to pick a niche for yourself. And if you don't know a niche is just like a topic, like a subject, or what you want to be talking about, because it's very, very important. You don't have to talk about everything. You get people will get confused. So if you want to start an affiliate program, it's very important you pick a particular niche first and see how it works. Is it wellness? Is it health? Is it make money online? Is it writing, editing, logo, whatsoever it is? You need to pick a niche for yourself. And if you don't really understand what niche is all about, I have a video how to carve a niche for yourself online. I'm going to drop in the description of this video, or you can comment so that I can give you the link to that video. So after you pick your niche, the second thing is you need to pick a network where you want to start getting link to promote the product. So in this case, you will have Expertnia. Then the third step is building a landing page or a blog, and I'm going to make a video on that, how you can do that for free even with your mobile phone, because I know how a lot of people make this thing look so techy, but it is not. So I'm going to show you practically step by step how you can have a landing page free of charge, how you can build your email marketing free of charge is in another video, but for the sake of this video I'm going to show you practically how you can sign up with Expertnia. So if now that you have picked a niche and then you have decided that okay, I'm going to work with Expertnia, the next step and then you know that you are going to build a landing page, then the next step is getting traffic, because you cannot just sign up and just sit back. No, it doesn't work like that. It's not like magic. You have to promote the product. You have to share the link so that people can buy such products. Affiliate marketing is just so sweet, honestly, and that's why I so much love YouTube, because I always share my affiliates link that sometimes when I go to my back office to see, I will be surprised. I don't even remember when I use some of the link, and then people keep buying. That's one good thing about social media. That's one good thing about internet. Anything you do once, you can keep earning from that over and over again. So I don't bore you too much. Let's go to the practical aspect of how to sign up with Expertnia. So the link is in the description, or you can ask in the comment section so that I will give you the link. And hey, if you are watching your comment right now on the screen, that means you are the winner. I want to be sharing some of my products with you, but for you to, if you also want to be a winner, all you need to do is, number one, you need to take a screenshot of this video. That's one. Then the second thing you need to do is you need to share this video, and then make a comment. And then the third or the fourth thing you need to do, you need to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification to this channel, so you could be the next winner of one of my products. But today I'm giving the winner From Idea to All-Round Harvest. Is one of my best-selling book on Amazon. I'm giving you free of charge. So if you want to redeem your prize, you want to get your ebook, you can ask in the comments section of this video, or you can reach out to me. I am Ijaporigang on all my social media handles, so you can send me a Facebook Messenger so that I can get your email address and send you the ebook. So let's go to the practical aspect of this video. Alright, here is the link. So in the description of this video, I'm going to drop a link, or if you cannot find it in the description, you can comment in the comment section of this video so that I will give you the link. So the next thing, I will click on this link so that it will take me to a page that I would be able to register for my Expertnia and pay my 10,000 naira fee for a whole year, where I will be promoting different products that I want. So my full name, here I will tap on full name and then enter. Okay, my name is already here, but for the phone number has to be up to 11. All right, then password, I will input my password. Okay, let me paste my password and then confirm password. Then I'll confirm my password. All right, then this agree. If I tap on it, it will not go because they want me to read the terms and conditions. So I'll have to open it. You open the terms and conditions, go through it, and then if you have your time, you can read. Then I'll go back. By the time I go back, if I click on it now, you will discover that it has been checked. Then I'll click on register. So from registration, they will tell you that payment is required. Payment of 10,000 naira is required to complete this registration. Yes, and continue. So now that I've clicked on yes and continue, it's going to open a page where I will make my payment. It's secure. I've tried it, and if you have been following me closely, you will discover that almost everything I talk about on this channel is something I have tested and it works. So here is it, different payment platform that you can use. If you want to pay with your card, you want to pay with bank, you want to pay with transfer, pay with USD, pay with Visa. So me, usually I pay my own with card. So by the time you click on pay with card, you are going to input your card number, the expiring date, and the CVV. The moment you do that, they will immediately show you the bank account that you make immediately you will see that they will send you OTP code. So from there you continue. I don't want to repeat this because I have done that. And the moment you click on done, That is how automatically they will send you immediately. They will send you message to your email address. It works like magic, honestly. They will send you email. I was so surprised. This is the type of email you receive. Hello, welcome Ijaparigan, welcome to a Spartnia platform. This is your login. So you log into your account. So I will click on here to log into my account since my payment is successful. Way all right, here is a Spartnia account. So you can see it's actually wider and larger when you are using okay, I didn't get any today, so like because I didn't promote any product for a while now, but I've been making money from it. So if I want to check the other days, I can click here to see the days that I made money from the products that I have advertised. So here is their WhatsApp number where you can reach out to them for support, and here is my affiliate link. So this link I share with you, this is my affiliate link. So as many people that have signed up with my link, I'm going to earn a commission for that. So you too, you can get your commission, your affiliate link, and share with your friends if they want. If you test it and see that it works for you and you are earning money, so that as you refer people, you also earn from a Spartnia. It's like that. I always like being transparent in everything I do. So I will not ask you to refer your people to me, but rather you too, you can also have your own referral link. So this is where I'm going to, if I want to start promoting product, this is where I will click on. This is my dashboard. So here I'll click on product market, the product that is available in the market. So here it has opened, but because I'm using mobile phone, I'll always click this arrow so that the space will be open for me. So here are different products that one can promote. So from here, like this one now, this YouTube profit blueprint. So you see some people advertising on how you can start and run your YouTube channel. Some of them, they are not really the owner of the products or the videos or the content, is because there is someone out there that someone out there that have already done it. So like this one now, even if you advertise this one, if anybody click to buy, the person will pay 30,000 naira to have access to the course, and your commission will be 40% of the amount the person pay. So that is how you will see different products that you'll be able to promote. Like this is WhatsApp instant marketing. Yes, and the price is 15,000 naira, and if you sell this, if anybody that click, you get 30% commission. So that is, see, this one is work from home, how to land your first remote job and succeed. So this one is 7,500, and if you advertise this, if anybody click and buy to learn that course, you are going to earn 30% commission. So there are actually a lot of them. That's why I talk about you choose a niche for yourself. So this is just page 1 out of 45 entries that is here according to this my niche now, because me, I'm talking about online business and self-publishing. That's why these ones come out. That's the niche I pick for myself. So you can also check by product name, or maybe you want to check it by commission, the one that has a higher commission. You can click and check. So the moment, like me as a YouTuber, the moment I pick this, some of the link I will just carry it direct from here and put it in the description of my YouTube video, and anybody that click on it will buy. But if you as a starter, you as a beginner, you would need to work so that people will get from you. That is why I said I'm going to show you how you can create a landing page, how you can start collecting email from people that buy any of the product you advertise. This is what people do, because by the time you have a landing page, you can say, if you want, who else want to learn how to start a YouTube channel, how to start and grow YouTube channel, is as simple as I click this link. So by the time the person click the link, it will take the person to a landing page, and then the person will have to input his email address and maybe even phone number or name. By so doing, you have access to all that. So I want to show you how you can do that for free, how you can start getting email marketing, how you can also create a landing page all with your mobile phone, guys. And I'm doing this from the depth of my heart, because this is my way of saying thank you for 2,000 subscribers, and thank you for finally becoming monetized. And I want to help as many as possible to also start earning money online. So in the next video, I'm going to share with you on how you can create a landing page and also collect people's email with your mobile phone so that you can start advertising, putting your link and generating lead magnets. So for you to have access to that, I want you to comment email marketing. Just comment email marketing. So I want to see how many people are so interested on this so that I can start creating immediately as soon as possible. So thank you so much from the depth of my heart. If you have any question concerning this, please ask in the comment section of this video. And sorry, I know this video is lengthy, but I believe it's worth it. So if it's worth it, can they give me a like? I so much like your comments. That's why I take my time to read through everybody comment and make sure, except if YouTube have held your comment. So if you see that I didn't reply your comment, maybe your comment looks spammy and YouTube hide it, because there are some comments that YouTube used to hold it. Maybe they feel that there's something fishy about the comment. So thank you from the depth of my heart. Until I see you again in a video on email marketing and creating a landing page free of charge. Bye.